In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to repair the locking feature on your Vividia Ablescope on your own with our kit. This includes all Ablescope models, including the VA-400 and the VA-980. You will need some small tools to complete this task. One is, of course, the kit that you would order from us so that you could repair yourself, a pair of tweezers, and also a very small screwdriver, similar to what you would use to repair a watch. To repair the locking, first remove the screws from the handle, remove the handle itself, then use the screwdriver to remove the set screw on the locking collar. Open up the collar, pull it back, and insert the beads. There should be 5 beads in total to complete the friction lock. Make sure to realign the locking collar to make sure that the grooves in the collar line up with the set screw. Then reinsert the set screw, making sure that everything is lined up. Make sure you pull the spring back so that you have room to insert the beads. Then use the tweezers, putting each bead in one by one. Once you have transferred the beads, go ahead and screw the rest of the handle on as seen demonstrated in this video. Then go ahead and screw the handle piece back on and you're ready to work. If there are any other questions regarding this procedure, please contact us at our number. We're always glad to help and we're always accessible. We also look forward to any other feedback you might have on any other instructional videos that we can offer or anything that we can add to this one to make it better. Thank you for watching our video, and please contact us anytime at Oasis Scientific.